Today I'm going to show you a bracelet. So first you need to make slip knot, whichever method you like. Make a slip knot and insert the hook, tie it here. Okay, chain 70. So yarn over and pull it through into this loop. One, yarn over, insert the loop. Two. Now you have to make at least 70 or 100. Make a chain. I made my chain. Now I am going to make slip stitch. So into fifth chain, slip stitch into fifth chain. So this loop, hook loop, is not counting. So here is first chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This fifth chain I am going to make slip stitch into fifth chain. So insert the hook into this chain, this middle of the chain, and yarn, take this working yarn and pull it through into chain like this. And now again this yarn, pull it through into this hook loop, the same yarn. It's called slip stitch. Now I'm showing to again insert the hook into this middle of the chain and bring the yarn into this chain, pull it through and pull it through into hook loop. So this is slip stitch. I will show you again. In every chain one slip stitch. Make next. Here I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. In every chain you make one slip stitch. So make your slip stitch like this. I made my slip stitch. In every stitch one slip stitch into every stitch. Now I'm going to make last one. Here last one slip stitch, my last slip stitch I made, and chain one. Here chain one and take a long tail, cut the yarn, okay, and tie it. Okay, now you get like this. Now I'm going to one knot, single knot here, the both yarn, and now I'm going to use some buttons here. You can use anything. I'm using this button you can use any bottle, yeah, buttons, yeah, pearl, anything. With help of this needle, this big eye needle, and sewing this button like this and this. Sew it again, then opposite side, for make sure this don't come off. And I will knot this 2 times, 1 and 2, and cut this yarn. Okay, now this you can wrap your hand and make like this hole you can